Hi everybody, Dr. Mano here giving you an update on the situation of the Coronado de Osa bridge situation and the repairs. Well, you know, look at this repair job they did here. They got the cantilevers in there and covered with some material. If you can see here how it is acting like a little dam, and the water is like 3/4 the way up the tubes. And what we have to keep in mind is that Costa Rica gets 50% of their annual rain coming up in the next 3 months. September, October, November, those 3 months, Costa Rica gets about 50% of their annual rain. Now, this is not going to hold. You might be able to hear it's raining right now. This is Wednesday morning, August 26th. And if we have 2 or 3 days of some consistent rain, this will not hold. That top layer of material will be washed away down the river. So let's just wait and see. Let's see what kind of weather pattern, raining pattern we're going to have for the rest of the year, and we'll see how this holds up. Now, the main bridge is going to be under basically a new construction as a repair, and that's going to be another 3 or 4 months. Once again, this is in the peak of the rainy season, so we'll have to sit tight and see how all this plays out by the end of the year. And October being the heaviest rain for Costa Rica, but let's just wait and see. I remember back in 2010 we had massive rains, and it was the most rain Costa Rica had in a long time, and the ticos say that every 10 years they get a pretty good deluge of rain. Also, some local humor with the people in Coronado de Osa is they say, oh no, this river of Coronado, Rio de Colorado, will never flood out because all the extranjeros, the foreigners on top there, are tanking the water for their houses and filling their swimming pools, and they're taking all of our water. So basically downstream, it will never be flooded out. Alright, we'll close up with a little humor there. I'm Dr. Mano giving you an update on the Coronado de Osa bridge. So, once again, watching the world collapse as a third party, all this pandemic crap going on. Pura Vida from Costa Rica.